is a massive demand is exploding for the co-living space in Bangalore. And your neighbor flat, who's a co-living partner, is earning 40% more on the same space, which is much higher. For the landlords and investor, this is disruption because families never prefer co-living space. It's preferred by young professionals. So let's break it down both the sides. Why this could be a great opportunity for an investor and why it could be also a threat. Hi everyone, imagine this. You buy a 3 BHK in Whitefield and put it on a rent for 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees, but just a few blocks away, a co-living operator is renting out a single room at 25,000 rupees each and with the 3 tenants inside. They are making 75,000 from the same space what you have. This is the new reality of Bangalore rental market in co-living, and the big question is this a threat to traditional investor, or this is the biggest opportunity we as an investor are missing out? In the last few years, Bangalore has seen the rise of co-living brands like Zolo, Stanza and Colive. This company targets young professionals and students who want furnished rooms, flexible contracts and community living experience. For a tenants, it's affordable and hassle-free. But for the landlords and investor, this is disruption because sadly, your plain 2 BHK doesn't look attractive now. And your neighbor flat, who's a co-living partner, is earning 40% more on the same space. So let's break it down both the sides. Why this could be a great opportunity for an investor and why it could be also a threat. First, we are going to discuss about the opportunities and then we'll discuss about the challenges with the co-living space. The first opportunity is very clear is rental yield. A normal 2 BHK might earn you 3 to 4% of rental yield, but co-living spaces can give you rental yield of 6 to 8%, which is much higher. And why it's happening? Because you are renting out the beds instead of the entire flat. And more tenants means more income. The second opportunity what I see is a massive demand is exploding for the co-living space in Bangalore. Bangalore attracts lack of young professionals every year. Lot of young professionals don't want to cook and they do not want to set up a furniture. They don't want to a long lock-in periods with the landlords. And co-living is a perfect solution for them. As long as migration continue, co-living will grow really well. Third opportunity, young professional prefer a place which is operated by professional. Tenant sourcing to the maintenance, furnishing, all are managed in a one roof by a well-managed organizations. And for an investor, it make it more easier for you. You do not wish to have day-to-day headaches that make the assets almost hands-free. Now let's talk about the challenges. What challenges you face when you buy co-living space? The first challenge what you see is a wear and tear cost. More tenants, faster turnover, shared usage, your property age twice as fast. That means higher maintenance cost, frequent wear and tear repairs, and sometimes lot of disputes because you are renting out a one apartment to multiple tenants. Second issue which comes with the co-living is the regulations. Many RWAs in Bangalore are already pushing back against co-living because of the lot of noise, overcrowding and parking issues. If the government tightens the rules in the co-living spaces, then you will see that co-living yields can suddenly collapse. In co-living space, the third challenge, which is very obedient, is a saturation. Today, you have lot more competition into the co-living space. As more players are entering into co-living space, competition will reduce the margins. What looks like 6% rental yield today might drop back to 3 or 4% in a crowded market. So, what should you do as an investor? As an investor, if you are chasing maximum rental yield and okay with a short-term fluctuation in the market, co-living can be a great play. I would suggest go with only trusted operators and in a micro market where you have IT jobs or colleges nearby to you. Because families never prefer co-living space, it's preferred by young professionals. Investors looking for stability and long-term capital appreciation stick with traditional rentals in premium gated communities. Co-living may not be your cup of tea. In short, co-living is a high risk and high reward play. Don't dive in blindly. So is co-living a threat or an opportunity? The truth is, if you are first time investor, then it's a threat to you. But if you are investing into multiple properties and you need a diversification, then it's an opportunity for you. Now tell me in the comments, would you be comfortable renting your flat to a co-living partner, or do you prefer traditional family tenants? And if you found this video useful, like and subscribe, because here we decode the future of real estate, not just the past.